Are you tired of shoving sugary, carb-laden snacks down your throats? Do you want to snack like a king without feeling sluggish and bloated? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 delicious snacks that are completely free of carbs and sugar. Healthy snacking can boost your energy, improve your mood, and help you maintain a balanced diet. By choosing nutritious options, you can enjoy tasty treats without the guilt. Nutrient-rich snacks like nuts and seeds provide essential fatty acids that support brain health. Fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system. Protein-rich snacks help in muscle repair and growth, keeping you strong and active. So let's dive in and explore these amazing snacks that will keep you satisfied and healthy. Let's kick things off with a classic, the humble hard-boiled egg. These little beauties are packed with protein, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and fuels your muscles. Plus, they're rich in essential vitamins like B12, D, and A, and minerals such as selenium, choline, and iodine. Boil a pot of water, gently lower in your eggs, and let them simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then give them an ice bath to cool down, peel off the shells, and you've got yourself a perfect protein-packed snack. Eat them plain, sprinkle with salt and pepper, or get creative with some hot sauce. You can also slice them over salads, mash them into egg salad, or pair them with avocado for a nutritious boost. The vitamins and minerals in eggs support brain health, immune function, and energy production. Next up, we've got cheese, a true gift from the culinary gods. From creamy brie to sharp cheddar, the world of cheese is your oyster. Most cheeses are naturally low in carbs and sugar, making them a great snack option. Opt for full-fat hard cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, or Parmesan. These cheeses are rich in protein and calcium. Cheddar is known for its sharp, tangy flavor, while Gouda offers a smooth, caramel-like taste. Parmesan, with its nutty and salty profile, is perfect for adding a punch to any dish. Pair them with some nuts, olives, or cucumber slices for a more substantial bite. The healthy fats and fiber in these pairings complement the cheese perfectly. Don't forget brie with its creamy, buttery texture, and blue cheese, which brings a bold, tangy kick. Gruyere, with its sweet yet slightly salty flavor, is another excellent choice. Avocados, those creamy, dreamy fruits masquerading as vegetables, are a nutritional powerhouse. They're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin E, and folate. Slice one open, sprinkle on some salt and pepper, and grab a spoon. You can even add a squeeze of lime juice for a zesty kick. Spread it on toast for a quick breakfast, or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy texture. Toss it into a salad for added richness, or use it as a topping for your favorite dishes. The creamy texture and subtle flavor of avocado will tantalize your taste buds without weighing you down. Mash it up to make guacamole, perfect for dipping or as a spread. Add slices to your burger for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. Incorporate it into sushi rolls for a creamy texture that complements the other ingredients. You can even use it in desserts like avocado chocolate mousse for a healthy twist. With so many ways to enjoy avocados, you can easily add this superfood to your meals and reap the health benefits. Now, let's talk about olives, those briny, salty little gems. Olives are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and a flavor that's both robust and sophisticated. There are many types of olives, like Kalamata, Manzanilla, and Castelvetrano. Kalamata olives are rich in antioxidants and have a fruity flavor. They're also known to support heart health. Manzanilla olives are often stuffed and have a slightly nutty taste. They're a good source of iron and vitamin E. Castelvetrano olives are known for their buttery texture and mild flavor. They are high in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for cholesterol levels. Whether you prefer them green or black, stuffed or plain, olives make for a satisfying and convenient snack. Just be sure to watch your sodium intake, as olives can be a bit high in salt. Nuts, nature's perfect snack. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, they're the perfect way to keep you going between meals. Let's dive into the nutritional benefits of different types of nuts and how they can be included in a healthy diet. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which supports skin health and immune function. They also contain magnesium, which helps with muscle function and energy production. Walnuts are brain food, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support cognitive function. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit heart health. Macadamias are buttery little bites of heaven, loaded with monounsaturated fats that promote heart health. They also contain thiamine, which is essential for energy metabolism. Pecans are packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. They are also a good source of zinc, which supports immune function and wound healing. Incorporate these nuts into your diet by adding them to salads, yogurt, or simply enjoying a handful as a snack. You can also blend them into smoothies or use them as a topping for oatmeal. Just remember, a handful is enough. Moderation is key to reaping the benefits without overdoing the calories. Need a protein boost that can keep up with your hectic lifestyle? Look no further than jerky. This portable powerhouse is made from lean meat that's been seasoned, dried, and transformed into a chewy, savory snack. We're talking about high-quality jerky made from grass-fed beef, bison, or even salmon. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and will satisfy your cravings without derailing your healthy eating plan. Jerky is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. You can find a variety of flavors and types, including turkey, chicken, and even plant-based options for vegetarians. Plant-based jerky offers a great alternative for those avoiding meat. Jerky is not only high in protein, but also provides essential nutrients like iron, which supports oxygen transport in the body, zinc for immune function, and B vitamins for energy metabolism. It's a convenient and versatile snack that fits perfectly into any diet plan. Sometimes you just need something light, refreshing, and ridiculously low in calories. That's where cucumbers come in. These crunchy, watery wonders are like nature's own breath mint, cleansing your palate and hydrating your body. Slice them up, toss them in a salad, or just munch on them whole. Cucumbers are versatile and delicious. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. Enjoy them in a smoothie, as cucumber water, or even as cucumber chips for a crunchy snack. And don't forget, they can also be used for a quick spa treatment to reduce puffiness around your eyes. You can also make a refreshing cucumber salsa, perfect for a summer snack, or dip cucumber sticks into your favorite hummus for a healthy, satisfying treat. Smoked salmon, it's not just for bagels anymore. This luxurious and flavorful fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and overall well-being. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of chronic diseases. Enjoy it on its own, pair it with some cream cheese and cucumber slices, or get creative and make your own smoked salmon dip. You can also add it to salads for a protein boost. Choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible, as it's more sustainable and has a superior flavor. Seaweed snacks might sound a bit out there, but trust me on this one. These crispy, savory sheets are like potato chips from the sea, but without the guilt. They're surprisingly addictive and come in a variety of flavors, from classic sea salt to spicy sriracha, teriyaki, wasabi, and even BBQ. Plus, they're packed with essential nutrients like iodine, which is important for thyroid function. Seaweed is also a great source of vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. Additionally, seaweed snacks are high in fiber, low in calories, and rich in antioxidants, making them a perfect healthy snack. Dive into a bag of seaweed snacks and experience the taste of the ocean. From crunchy nuts to creamy avocado, we've shared 9 delicious, carb-free and sugar-free snacks. Try them out and enjoy healthier snacking. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.